H. pylori is a bacterium that can cause various gastrointestinal disorders, including ulcers and gastritis. While there is no definitive evidence that diet alone can cure H. pylori infection, there are some dietary changes that may help manage the symptoms and support the treatment process. Here are some tips on how to treat H. pylori naturally with diet. Eat a diet rich in whole foods. Whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help support a healthy gut microbiome, which may improve overall digestive health and potentially reduce H. pylori symptoms. Avoid inflammatory foods. Certain foods can cause inflammation in the body, which can exacerbate H. pylori symptoms. These foods include processed foods, sugary foods, fried foods, and foods high in saturated and trans fats. Include probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help support a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotic-rich foods include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods. Consume prebiotic-rich foods. Prebiotics are types of fiber that feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Prebiotic-rich foods include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and artichokes. Incorporate anti-inflammatory spices. Certain spices, such as turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon, have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce H. pylori symptoms. It's important to note that while these dietary changes may help manage H. pylori symptoms, they should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. If you suspect that you have H. pylori, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to receive a proper diagnosis and treatment plan.